because he's nowhere to walk. But none of these other days work, do they? So that's why there's 3 or 4 of them to each pair.
The old boys at Phil's, they're in the late 70s.
Yeah, and they'd only have a little boy leading the horse.
And they weren't struggling, they weren't fighting. They never said that folks a few years ago that were shorter, weren't they? To be perfectly honest, they were not much bigger than my kind of bike. Well, they're about 5'7", and they're quite stocky, weren't they?
Well, no, the Shire's one horse that's done a lot of it, and he's the one who walks in the furrow. One horse has to walk in the furrow.
Right.
Once they get the hang of that, you're home and dry. See, these look like a young pair. They'll have a bloody nightmare with
Right.
The guy here with these 2 black ones, now he's got nobody helping him. You want that horse on the right? Look, he's stepped out the furrow. He's stepped out the furrow.
So the horse learns to walk in the furrow.
Yes, yeah. He's got to get him back in there now. As he's got to know. Pull him in, push him in. Got to get him in that furrow.
So.
Yeah, look, he's backing him in.
Oh, right.
No good making him go forwards because he'll tug on the plough. Now he's in there, look. They're staying.
Yeah.
None of them do enough of it. That's the problem. Like years ago, they had it every day of the week.
So how recent were they ploughing with horses?
Well, I've ploughed on for nearly 50 years now. It was already a goal when I started.
Right, so after the war, that was it?
Yeah. They brought so many tractors over in the war from America, that was the end of it, really. Because it's such hard work. And a good man would do an acre a day, and he had to stop at lunchtime because the horses were knackered. The tractor, you can keep it going 24 hours a day, you can get the guys thriving.
Right.
And we pull in 2 furrows, not 1.
Gentleman I used to work with, he was born in the late 40s, and he remembers the last of the horses when he was a young lad, and they always had a few for little useful jobs around the job, but they didn't use them commercially. They used them for little jobs around the yard.
I can remember the horses working, but not ploughing. Yeah. They used to do all the fiddly job. Yeah.
Or getting in useless corners where you couldn't get.
So what do you mean by fiddly jobs? What sort of...
Well, pulling a trailer to feed cattle and,
right.
And picking up, picking up odd things. Anything that is a little trailer, or bringing bales home, but not ploughing because that's serious work.
Right, so this one, he's walking in the furrow.
Yeah, he's a good one.
So he's got some idea of what he's supposed to be doing.
Yeah, and he's on his own. He's got nobody with him. That shows that those horses are good.
You've got any horses at your place at the moment, Mark?
I haven't got a horse on the place. No, I haven't had one for 4 or 5 years. There's some older ones, there.
Oh, they're dinky, these, aren't they? They're rather endearing. They're rather cheeky looking characters, aren't they?
I wonder how they're bred now. They must be good in fights,
basically secures the shoe.
Still by yourself?
Yeah, we've either got flat metal like we've got down here, or the shoes that Hazel's making at the moment.
Oh, right.
It's already got